Today I'm going to tell you in detail about the FCPS and MCPS diplomas, and you will learn the differences in the career which you might have after doing FCPS or the MCPS. As you might all know that both of them are diplomas from the CPSP Pakistan. So, what is FCPS and MCPS? FCPS is basically the Fellowship of College of Physicians and Surgeons of Pakistan. It is a major diploma and it requires 4 to 5 years of training generally. And CPSP offers FCPS training in 73 specialities. Whereas MCPS is getting the membership of the College of Physicians and Surgeons. It is a minor diploma and it requires 2 years of training only with an exam after 2 years of training. And this MCPS or membership is offered by CPSP in 22 specialities. So the basic difference is one is major diploma and the other is a minor diploma. Then, what are the differences in the careers with 2 degrees? MCPS, being the minor diploma or the middle grade diploma, enables the doctors to be posted in district level facilities as specialists, whereas the FCPS degree holders can be appointed in the teaching hospitals and they can become the academicians, which is not the liability open for the MCPS colleagues. MCPS is offered in following 22 specialities, and this screenshot has been taken from the website of CPSP. And here is another link to MCPS knowledge if you want to further explore about the courses and how to become eligible and how to apply for MCPS or register. You can do it from here. Where else FCPS is recognized other than Pakistan? It is recognized by England and it is at par with its MRCP degree. And Saudi Council also recognizes FCPS. If you have done FCPS, you can be appointed as a specialist in Saudi hospitals and colleges. As far as GMC, GCC, and FCPS are concerned, GMC accreditates pediatric medicine and anesthesia in FCPS equal with their degrees, and you can practice these two disciplines in UK without doing any further qualification or without taking any further exam. Similarly, for the Gulf countries like Bahrain, Kuwait, etc., this FCPS degree is recognized for registration as specialist, and you don't need to don't need to take another exam. But not is the case for USA. You have to do US residency training if you want to work or live in US. While doing the training from the CPSP, whether for FCPS training or MCPS training, you need to look for an approved supervisors and approved institutions. The approved supervisor needs training, can do training of maximum 8 students at one given time, and an MCPS approved supervisor can train 4 trainees at one given time. And you can search the lists of approved supervisors and institutes at the given website. There are some situations in which you can get exemption from FCPS Part 1 and 2 years of training, and those are if you have done an MRCP from England, MPhil in the subject, or MD or MS in the same specialty. This does not mean that these degrees are equal to FCPS. This only means that you will not be required to do 2 years of training or to give FCPS Part 1 exam. You will take 2 more years of training and give the final FCPS exam. And this opportunity or exemption is not after doing MCPS in the same specialty. Here is the link to the notification of CPSP in which this exemptions has been notified to the doctors. So to summarize, what are the pros and cons of MCPS? MCPS is easy to do as it has shorter residency period, and seats are easily available as compared to FCPS, and you get the designation of specialist. But consequences are it is less work than FCPS, and you cannot teach in medical colleges and teaching hospitals. There is no post for MCPS from now on. Previously, there were people working, MCPS people working in the medical colleges, and again, even against the foreign qualifications, MCPS has less worth in Pakistan as well. And doing with MCPS degree, you are not recognized worldwide. And if you want to go somewhere else and practice somewhere else, you have to register yourself and give the licensing exams. So I hope this video helps you in deciding your career. Good luck. Thank you very much.